Hi everyone, this is Weiss with my video here, how to properly set yourself for a hold here. So we're gonna be very quick today because I already discussed holds on my previous video, and this is just on a heading indicator, couple of examples, right turns and left turns. Um, but if you want in detail, go ahead and watch my other video. It says holds it on over the VOR. So let's say that you're flying toward 27 toward VOR, um, and your heading obviously is 270, and the needle is centered on a nav 1, and you're going toward VOR. So this is 2. Okay. So and all of a sudden ATC comes and says, all right, go ahead and hold at that VOR radial 030 and expect further claims whatever time. So you can say, okay, 030 coming from the right side here goes um, um, all the way to the VOR. So what we're gonna think is this center right up here is VOR for us. Okay, this is always gonna be VOR for you. Center of the heading indicator. Okay, and this radial, so ugly. This radial comes from 030 straight to the center, and then reciprocal of 030 is obviously plus 180 to 210. Here we go. That's your reciprocal of 030. So if you bring the line 030 toward the VOR here, and then if they said right turn, if they didn't say actually the right turn is standard turns, but if ATC did not tell you well, left or right, that's gonna be right. So you're gonna go from VOR, you're gonna do right turn once you pass VOR. Okay, so that is your right turn. So now we know every time you see you have a right turn and the hold is you're holding on this or this side of this line here, then your unsafe zone is on the other side, on this side. So this is your unsafe zone. This is gonna be always like this, okay? So now we know this side is unsafe zone. If this side is unsafe zone, your parallel entry is gonna be from this side. All right. So your parallel from that side, we're gonna go ahead and count 110 degrees. We know that parallel entry is about entry of 110 degrees. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. So that's going to be 320 coming from 320 imaginary line all the way to reciprocal of 140. 320 minus 180 is 140. Okay, and if your parallel entry entry is 110 degrees, okay, now this side is going to be 70 degrees, and this is your teardrop, okay, entry, and that should be 70 degrees, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and the rest goes, the whole, this side is 180 degrees, and that's direct entry, okay, entry. And let's take a look now. Our reciprocal is, so this is going to be 1 minute. Start when your VOR goes over cone of confusion, that's where when you have 1 minute outbound time starts at this point. And so we're going to take a look at our tail section here. And our tail section shows that we are entering from direct entry um, side here. So what are we going to do once we hit the VOR? This thing goes, this nav1 up top here goes to from, and you will do the 5Ts. Turn, time, twist, talk, and throttle. 5Ts, and then you're gonna go about, actually let me draw it white. So you're gonna go 180 degree turn to 0, whatever radial is 030, and once you pass this point right up here, you're going to start your 1 minute outbound. You go all the way 1 minute and then start your turn again to the right. Catch this bearing of 210 inbound and start your hold. Okay, but from direct entry, you will be established once you hit the VOR coming from here. You will be established, so you need to say do your 5Ts. Alright, so that is how you enter properly hold. Alright, let's go to different example here. Left turns this time, non-standard turns. So let's say um, we're gonna do one. So you go in the same heading, okay? Your heading is 270, and you're going toward VOR. And ATC tells you to hold that radial of 010. And what are you going to do first thing is just draw a line from there. And that's going to come reciprocal of that is 190. Now he said that go ahead and do left turn. Alright, so we're going to draw a left. So coming down from this 010 radial, going this way, you're going to come hit the VOR and then go do the left turn, and then like that. So now we know it holds on this side, so the other side, this side is unsafe zone. So if it's unsafe zone, we know the parallel entry is on this side, or top of the VOR. Okay, so if it's on this side, we can go ahead and do the same thing. Just draw 110 degrees, 110 degrees going this way. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 90, 100, 110. That's it, 110. And from here, you're just going to draw an imaginary line coming straight from there. And goes over to VOR, and it's going to go to 260. 260, 110, 260 minus 110 is 180. Okay, so that's how it's going to be imaginary line for you. And then if you count this side, on the other side, teardrop is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 degrees exact. Teardrop, okay, entry, and the rest of them, let me draw some. Alright, this color should be good. This rest of them going to be 180 degree portion, because if you add this side, this slice here with this slice, it's going to be 180. This slice is 70, and this slice is 110. Okay, so now we know that our tail section is coming from the portion of parallel and hits the VOR. So what are you going to do? Your first thing is start your turn. This is going to be 4 T's. Turn, time, twist, throttle. You're not going to say you established because you're not yet established. You have to go outbound on the on the heading of 010 for 1 minute as published or whatever. And then you're gonna start your turn not 180 degrees but 235 degrees or 240 degrees, so you can intercept this radial bearing of 190 and go toward VOR and then pass the VOR and establish on hold. Again, 5 T's. Okay, so that was basically it. That was a parallel entry. And if you want to watch my other videos, pretty detailed. And this is just a short video with the heading indicator itself. See if you guys are, make sure you guys are not confused of how to set up your cell phone hold. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you later. Bye.